In Sterling Heights, first impressions matter. Whether you're welcoming friends over for dinner, hosting a family gathering, or preparing to put your home on the market, the way your house looks from the street plays a powerful role in how it's perceived. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's exterior appearance is by installing picture windows. These expansive, fixed-pane windows can dramatically enhance curb appeal while adding lasting value and comfort. A clear, elegant focal point picture windows are designed to frame the outdoors like a work of art. Because they don't have grids, sashes, or moving parts obstructing the view, they create a clean, uninterrupted glass surface. From the street, this translates into a sleek, modern look that instantly draws the eye. In many Sterling Heights neighborhoods, homes feature traditional brick facades, well-kept lawns, and mature trees. A large picture window complements these architectural elements by adding visual balance and symmetry. It becomes a focal point that gives your home a polished, upscale feel without overpowering its original charm. Maximizing natural light. Sterling Heights experiences all four seasons, from bright summer afternoons to snowy winter mornings. Picture windows allow you to make the most of natural light year-round. Their larger glass area brings sunlight deep into your living space, creating a warm and inviting interior that shines through to the outside. When your home glows with natural light, it enhances the way your property looks from the curb. Sunlit interiors make windows appear larger and more vibrant, giving your house a lively, welcoming presence in the neighborhood. Even on overcast Michigan days, picture windows help capture every bit of available daylight, reducing the dark or closed-off look that smaller windows can create. Enhancing architectural style. No matter your home's design, ranch, colonial, split-level, or contemporary, picture windows can be customized to match. Their versatility makes them a seamless addition to a wide range of architectural styles found throughout Sterling Heights. For traditional homes, a picture window can be paired with double-hung or casement windows on either side, creating a classic, symmetrical arrangement. For more modern homes, a large standalone picture window offers bold simplicity and clean lines. With various frame colors and materials available, you can coordinate the window with your siding, trim, and roof for a cohesive look. This thoughtful integration enhances curb appeal by making your home appear well-designed and carefully maintained. Showcasing landscaping and outdoor features. Many homeowners in Sterling Heights take pride in their landscaping. Lush lawns, flowering shrubs, and decorative trees add personality and beauty to the property. A picture window allows these outdoor features to shine, both from inside and outside the home. From the street, passers-by can catch a glimpse of the view framed within the window. A large, clear pane can highlight a beautifully decorated living room or offer a subtle peek at your well-maintained backyard greenery. The connection between indoors and outdoors adds depth and character to your home's exterior. Boosting perceived home value. Curb appeal is closely tied to perceived value. When your home looks bright, modern, and well cared for, it leaves a positive impression. Picture windows contribute to this perception by signaling quality and thoughtful upgrades. Because they are typically energy efficient and built with advanced glass technology, today's picture windows also appeal to buyers who are mindful of utility costs. While you'll enjoy the benefits of comfort and energy savings now, you'll also appreciate the added attractiveness if you ever decide to sell. Low-maintenance beauty. Unlike windows that open and close, picture windows have fewer moving parts. This means less wear and tear over time and a streamlined appearance that stays attractive with minimal upkeep. Their simple design reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues, helping your home maintain its polished look for years. For busy homeowners in Sterling Heights, that combination of beauty and practicality is a major advantage. A lasting upgrade for your neighborhood. Ultimately, enhancing curb appeal isn't just about making your house look better, it's about feeling proud every time you pull into the driveway. Picture windows offer a powerful way to elevate your home's exterior, increase natural light, and create a timeless, elegant appearance that stands out in Sterling Heights neighborhoods. If you're looking for a home improvement that delivers both visual impact and everyday enjoyment, picture windows are a clear choice.